Act like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video, the narcissist double life. Already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time and I'm ready to get into it. So let's do that right now. Not just a double life, but it's like an alternate universe on some Avengers type shit. See, it wasn't just the addictions you found out about. You know, the alcohol, substances, porn, social media, shopping, or even the workaholism. Nah, it was also the other supplies you knew nothing about. It was the cheating, the sex, but most importantly, the validation they get from every other source in their life. See, the question we all gotta ask in a narcissistic relationship at some point is, how come you were never enough? How come the narcissists always seem to have a need to find comfort elsewhere? Why cheat so much when you intimately would have given them and met them at a place physically and emotionally that they never asked for? I make so many promises just to break them. Why not invest in therapy to get to the healing part of their journey? And that's because there is no order to be found in the mind of the disorder. See, you were in search of love, empathy, and a safe space. But the narcissists, that's not what they got into this shit for. They found comfort in that chaos. They seek peace and emotionally attaching themselves to their vices as a distraction from having to deal with all those problems. You know, don't believe me? You already lived through the proof. How come they can never tell you what they loved about you? How come they magically became shitty communicators, deflected, projected, blame shifted anytime you asked for any ounce of accountability? How come there was never sustained change? Why didn't they get help for their addictions? Why would they cheat and not show loyalty when they had a whole ass family at home? Because they aren't fucking built like you. They don't have the capacity to love and understand like you. They don't have an empathetic bone in their fucking body that would ever allow them to put your love above their need for impulse. Because that's what the real is. Ever notice how they just couldn't sit still? Couldn't focus on current conversations and instead had to pivot to a different talking point? Some shit you said like 6 months ago? Or manufacture an argument out of thin air? They don't function the way that you do. They are selfish, self-serving, and don't give one single fuck about your pain. Wanna know why they smirked and laughed in your face? Because they enjoyed seeing you struggle. They enjoyed the dysfunction. They enjoyed the one moment they could feel in power and control of that situation. See, because when you can't manage your own emotions, you try to manage and regulate your partners. And this shit right here, oh, this was a recipe for a toxic ass disaster of a manipulation ship that not only fucks with our nervous system, but will keep us on edge with anxiety, unexplained health issues, and feeling of being unwanted and unloved until you decide to run your ass away. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired, and as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.